In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bcc in Outlook permanently. Before we jump in, a quick note on what Bcc is and why it matters. Bcc stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you add recipients without exposing their addresses to others on the email. It's perfect for group messages where privacy matters, and it helps keep reply all chains under control. Let's start with the new Outlook experience and Outlook on the web. Open Outlook in your browser and click New Mail to start a message. In the Compose window, open the Options menu and look for the Show Fields section. Choose Show Bcc to reveal the Bcc line for this message. That toggle is great in a pinch, but it only applies to the current session, so you'll need to turn it on again next time unless you change a setting. To make Bcc show up automatically every time, click the Settings gear in the upper right. Select View All Outlook Settings, then go to Mail, and choose Compose and Reply. Scroll to the Message Format area and check Always Show Bcc. Don't forget to click Save. From now on, the Bcc field will appear by default whenever you compose a new message, forward, or reply, and you won't need to hunt for the toggle again. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook on Windows, open a new email to bring up the Compose window. Go to the Options tab on the ribbon at the top. In the Show Fields group, click Show Bcc. That button acts as a toggle, so you can turn it on or off as needed. In many setups, once you turn it on, Outlook remembers your preference for future messages. If you're on an older version and want a more permanent setting, some users have found success by going to File, then Options, then Mail, and under Send Messages checking Show Bcc. Newer versions often rely on the Options tab toggle instead, so your exact path may vary depending on your build and updates. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Bcc line after toggling it, make sure your Compose window is maximized so the ribbon and fields are fully visible. Also, remember that Bcc recipients won't be visible to anyone else on the message, including people on to or CC, so add them carefully and double-check before you send. That's it. Whether you use Outlook on the web, the new Outlook, or Classic Outlook on Windows, you now know how to make Bcc available whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.